Morning, it's 11:45. It's Saturday the 17th of August, and there's a couple of dozen people here at this building here, and it's a wee cafe known locally as Park Life. I'm in Ward Park, and you can bring your dog and sit out, and it's very, very nice. But looking at the building, it's got a very hard shell on it. It's good solid brick, and you're saying to yourself, what was this building in days gone by? Well, I'll tell you what this building was. This building was an air raid shelter. And then it was a classroom for a Bangor Tech, and then it was a cycling club meeting place. So this is now Park Life, and it seems to be doing pretty well. Good show. And there's a wee plaque on the outside wall, and I'm going to video it. It's really brilliant to see this building still in use, and here's a wee bit of the history about it. The shelter. 1940, Bangor Borough Council decided to build 26 public air raid shelters around the town because Bangor was being hit. And Belfast was being hit in the Belfast Blitz. Nobody thought that the Luftwaffe would reach Belfast, but they did. Early hours of September 1940. A German bomber dropped 22 incendiary bombs on Bangor. No, they dropped that on Belfast. However, in April 1941, Bangor was not so lucky. Bombs hit Farnham Road, Seacliff Road, Hazelden Park, Hazelden Gardens, and Ashley Gardens. The latter two tragically resulted in loss of life. Aftermath. Eventually, after the war, most of the public air raid shelters across the country were demolished. Sometimes the material was used for other structures like sea defences. Apparently the shelters from this area were notoriously difficult to demolish due to their solid constructions. This one remained. Pillbox at the corner of Bransford Road and Maxwell Road. Effigy of Adolf on gallows at Main Street. So a wee bit of history here. Very, very little history of the World War II still remaining. But this air raid shelter still remains, and you can get a nice cup of tea or coffee in it as well, and a wee tray bake. So check it out, folks, as all these people are checking it out. Brilliant wee location called Park Life. Memories of days gone by. This is the inside of Park Life. You can see the solid brick walls here. I mean, you need a tank to go through these walls. They are solid. Okie doke. Memories of World War II in Bangor.